Today we are going to be making a chunky infinity scarf by using our happy chunky wool yarn. The crochet kit has included most of the material. Let's get started. We start with a slip knot. Make sure you left around 15 centimeters long tail at start and also at the end. And then loop it around your pinky. Bring it up above your second finger. And you're going to hold on to the piece. And then insert the hook to the slip knot. Do a yarn over and bring the yarn through the loop. Do another yarn over and bring the yarn through the loop. Just keep repeat it again until you finish the 120 chain. While you're doing the loop, try to keep the chain as straight as possible. Okay, I've got 120 chains now. And you can straighten the chain before you start the first round. Another important thing to make sure that the right side of the chain is facing out. The right side has a lot vertical V, and if the wrong side of your piece is facing out, you would see a lot of horizontal bars. To make a big loop, you're going to join the first stitch. We're doing back loop only half slip stitch. Insert the hook into the back loop of the horizontal V, yarn over, and then pull it through. The slip stitch doesn't count as a stitch in this pattern. And then you're starting the first round. Due to turning chain, we are using the back loop only half double crochet method. Yarn over, then insert your hook into back loop only stitch and pull it through. You can use the stitch marker to mark the first stitch. And use the counter to count the first round. Keep repeat back loop only half double crochet method and finish the 120 stitches in total. I'll show you how to finish the first round. At the end of the first round, after we finish the couple left stitches, you can take off the marker. And then you're going to do a slip stitch to finish the round. Insert to the very first back loop only stitch, yarn over, and then pull the yarn through the loop. The second round is the same with the first round. Let's repeat it together. You're going to finish the last couple stitches, and the second round is finished. At the third round, I'll show you how to add a new ball of yarn to the stitches. Simply make a knot to connect together. And put the knot on the back. Yarn over, insert the hook, and then pull the yarn through the loop. The round 3 to round 8 are the same with the round 2. At the end of the video, I'll show you how to hide all your long tails. High five. Now we get to the last process for the scarf. Now hide yarn tails. So pick a yarn tail and thread a needle with it. And then stick the needle behind material. Pull the needle through. Make a small knot that will make you stitch safer and not loose. And then cut the tail with scissors. You're going to hide the other tail like this. You don't have to make a knot if they already have a knot on it. Now you got a cozy wool scarf. Thank you for watching the video.